The Park Assist system, if equipped, activates when you shift the transmission into the reverse or drive positions and vehicle speed is less than 7 miles per hour or 11 kilometers per hour. The system can use 4 sensors on the rear of the vehicle to scan for obstacles behind you. The rear sensors are shipped loose and uninstalled. Refer to the Ram Bodybuilder's Guide for more information. The 6 sensors located in the front bumper monitor the area in front. The warning display is located in the instrument cluster. The system will indicate a detected obstacle by showing a single arc in the left and/or right front or rear regions based on the obstacle's distance and relative location. A tone will sound as well. As you move closer to the obstacle, the display will show a single arc, and the tone will change from a single half-second tone to slow, to fast, to continuous. To ensure proper function, make sure the sensors are free of dirt, snow, ice, and debris. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.